Chapter 3, Early Humans and the Agricultural Revolution. First, type your first name in the box here. Next, type your last name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. What is a fancy word for farming? Agriculture, culturalism, or weeding? Number 2. What does Paleolithic mean? Old Stone Age, New Stone Age, or Bronze Age? Number 3. What does Neolithic mean? Old Stone Age, New Stone Age, or Bronze Age? Number 4. A person who moves from place to place to survive and search for food. New Stone Age, Bronze Age, or nomad? Number 5. Tools and weapons to perform tasks and make life easier. Old Stone Age, New Stone Age, or technology? Number 6. Long periods of extreme cold. Ice ages, technology, or nomad? Number 7. Tame animals to help humans. Domesticate, ice ages, or technology? Number 8. The shift from hunting and gathering to growing of food on a regular basis. Ice ages, technology, or systematic agriculture? Number 9. A holy place. Shrine, ice ages, or technology? Number 10. When people created something specific. Specialization, technology, or systematic agriculture? Number 11. Mixing of copper and tin made this metal. Specialization, ice ages, or bronze? Number 12. A type of government with a king or queen. Ice ages, technology, or monarch? Number 13. Why was the early part of human history called the Stone Age? Tools and weapons were made from stone. Stones and rocks were used to decorate people's homes, or none of the above? Number 14. Two major advancements or changes during the Paleolithic Age included cooking and cleaning, spoken language and fire, or driving and computers? Number 15. First metal used by humans. Silver, gold, or copper? Number 16. Cities, trade, writing, architecture, art, and government are examples of characteristics of a civilization, words that are difficult to spell, or are part of the Old Stone Age. Number 17. Gave warmth, allowed people to cook, a light source. Is that the discovery of fire, the discovery of agriculture, or none of the above? Number 18. Cave paintings, such as the one below, were created to record what was happening at the time, painted to bring joy, or all of the above. Number 19. During which time period were people hunters and gatherers? Neolithic Age or Paleolithic Age? Number 20. What does the prefix neo mean? Old, new, or shiny? And number 21. People in society were organized into groups. These groups were defined by the type of work people did and the amount of wealth or power they had. Generally, rulers and priests, government officials, and warriors made up the highest group. This type of grouping is called loud classes, important classes, or social classes.